Imagine you're flying thousands of feet above the ground seconds from landing when suddenly your radio communication fails. No voice from air traffic control, no instructions, just static. How does a pilot land safely without modern communication? The answer isn't a new high-tech gadget. It's a light gun, a decades-old backup system that still protects thousands of aircraft every single day. Welcome to the world of the air traffic control light gun, the silent, powerful signal that keeps the sky safe when everything else fails. When aviation communication systems go dark, radios, transponders, and even data links, controllers rely on one of the simplest, most reliable tools ever made, the ATC signal light gun. It doesn't depend on electricity grids, satellites, or the internet. All it needs is visibility, a clear line of sight between the control tower and the aircraft. Born in the 1930s, this classic aviation tool is still used in 2025, a timeless safety measure in the age of artificial intelligence and digital aviation. The light gun, also called an air traffic control signal lamp, looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but its purpose is pure safety. It emits powerful colored light signals, red, green, and white, each with a specific meaning for pilots. This simple visual communication method transcends radio frequencies, languages, and even technology, ensuring that no matter what happens, pilots and air traffic controllers can still talk through light. So what do these colors actually mean? Let's decode the light gun's 6 critical signals that every pilot must memorize. For a pilot on the ground, a steady green light means you're cleared for takeoff. But in the air, that same steady green light means you're cleared to land. A flashing green light on the ground means you're cleared to taxi, while in the air, it signals the pilot to return for landing and await further instruction. Now, for the warnings. A steady red light means stop immediately if you're on the ground. If you're in the air, it means to continue circling and give way to other aircraft. A flashing red light is a serious warning. On the ground, it tells the pilot to taxi clear of the runway immediately. In the air, it means the airport is unsafe and you should not land. A flashing white light, only used on the ground, signals the pilot to return to their starting point. Finally, an alternating red and green light means exercise extreme caution, a universal signal to be alert for danger. Each beam of light is a coded command that cuts through chaos. It's aviation's version of Morse code, but faster, visual, and foolproof. Picture this. A small private jet is approaching a busy airport. The pilot loses all radio contact with air traffic control. No way to request landing clearance, no way to confirm safety. Then, through the cockpit windshield, the pilot spots a steady green beam from the tower. That single light means one thing: cleared to land. Moments later, the aircraft touches down perfectly. A safe landing, guided not by sound, but by light. While the light gun shines in emergencies, it's also used daily in aviation training. Student pilots practice radio communication failures and rely on light gun signals to stay proficient. At smaller airports or during air shows, light guns also guide aircraft with radio issues, or even those that are not equipped with radios at all, like vintage planes. It is a tool so simple, yet so smart, that it continues to prove its worth across general aviation and commercial flight operations. Even in an era of AI-powered autopilots, satellite communication, and digital ATC networks, the humble light gun is still mandatory equipment in every control tower. Why? Because it's fail-proof. It's not vulnerable to cyber attacks, solar flares, or power outages. Technology evolves, but the principles of safety are timeless. In aviation, redundancy isn't optional, it's essential. When every digital system fails, light never lies. In 2019, a corporate jet at Los Angeles International Airport lost all radio systems during its approach. The situation was tense, but the tower controllers were prepared. They quickly grabbed the light gun and aimed a steady green light at the approaching aircraft. The pilot saw the signal, and understood immediately, cleared to land. The flight landed safely, with passengers completely unaware that a potential crisis had been averted. Similar stories happen quietly across the world, constant proof that even the simplest technology can save lives. So the next time you re near an airport and see a flash of red or green from the tower, remember, it's not a decoration. It's aviation's oldest safety code still in use. The light gun, the silent guardian that speaks in light, ensuring every pilot lands safely, even when the world goes dark. If you found this look into aviation's hidden safety net interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from the world of flight. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.